illustration because I know I only have like one or two videos on illustrations, and I'm tackling this big goal, which is to have 3 illustrations done a week, whether I post them or not, because really, I feel like since I've been working since like last September, I've kind of like lost my style because I haven't been like drawing consistently. So in order to get that back, I'm just going to make it a goal to have at least 3 illustrations done a week. So I'm gonna be showing you guys one, and I'm also going to be painting this thing over here that you guys saw last week. I think that's about it. So this is the illustration that I was mostly working on, but I had actually started it. I think I started this sketch sometime last year because I was inspired by this Double Dutch event that they were doing for a few months last year in Philly. And I was like, I want to make my own, but I never got around to posting it. So I want to post it this summer, but it was just my luck that my tablet, like it had the low battery thing on. And when I put the charger back on, it didn't start recording. Yeah, isn't that just nice? But it didn't start recording again, so I'm gonna, well, I did already, just upload the time lapse for you guys to see a little bit of the process. But here I'm working on it some. I think the only thing left that I have to add to it is like some detail in the people in the background. And then I'm not sure if I want to do like a SEPTA bus and like some small businesses in the back, or just keep it small. I'm not sure yet, but I also did want to make it like a cute little animation. Only thing with my animations is that like it's very slow, so I'm still learning that, but it's cute. So this season, from now until Q3 into Q4, is go time. And what I mean by is go time is this: I have the goals this time, I have the plan, and I'm making sure that I'm giving ample and reasonable attention to each of these goals. And let me tell you what I mean by that. So in the past, your girl has been very ambitious. I'm still ambitious, but I've been very ambitious. But when it comes to making these goals and being reasonable about my time and energy, I'm just like, okay, it's gonna be 100% business. But like this past year, I've really just been learning how to balance it and be more responsible. So I have these goals, and I'm gonna show you guys. I wrote down my objective, and my objective is to remain consistent with a 6-month plan involving 4 main areas: paint parties, the infrastructure of ArtXA, YouTube, and illustrations. And if you guys don't know, I own a business called ArtXA, where I create art and design that is really intended for women of color to feel more empowered in their spaces. So the major goals, right? For paint parties, I have a major goal for each one. I'm not gonna go through all that, you guys will see. I feel like the most important thing is conviction and just belief and trusting yourself. I can make a plan all day. You get what I'm saying? I can be ambitious, I can make a goal and plan all day, but when it comes down to it, there are some things that some things that I didn't believe I was capable of all the way. So I would be lacking in those areas. Make sure you have full trust in your plan. Whether you have to journal, say your affirmations, surround yourself around people that are successful or are doing what you're doing so that you have that belief or mindset. And you know, there was a point where I didn't have those people around me, so don't make that an excuse. If you don't have those people around you yet, you know, if they haven't manifested, watch the YouTube girlies. Watch the YouTubers or girlies, whoever that do that, mentors. There's just no excuse. You have to have tunnel vision, but also stay present. Do the little tasks and little things every day that's gonna get you to those goals. And even if you don't hit those goals or those milestones by that date, who cares? Keep going, because you literally can't fail unless you stop trying. If you stop trying, of course you're never gonna get there. But if you keep going, whether it's 6 months, and I say this all the time, if you're not new here, you know, but if it's 2 weeks, 6 months, 10 years, a little bit scary, but you're eventually gonna get there. And I fully believe that.
For courage to follow your intuition. That's really, like, when I read that, I was like, no, honestly, like, that's true. When you're looking for a sign, you already have that intuitive hint. And now you're gonna go out and you're gonna look and see if somebody's going to. No. Decide that your intuition or that feeling is correct. Emotion, when it does come, it's going to come, inevitably it's gonna come. The question is really not like, how do I avoid the emotion? The question is more, how do I support myself and hold myself as I'm feeling this deep emotion? Which I do find when you stop fearing those lower emotions, negative emotions, if you will, or that experience of what maybe won't pan out.
This is exactly why, after I finished sketching from a reference photo, I try to not see the actual reference picture as much as possible, because I had the intentions to like change and I'm gonna show it to you guys, but I had the intentions to like change their complexion. And what I do, I went right around and like kept the complexions the same. Like I wanted, it really doesn't matter, but to me it matters. I wanted her to be darker than her. And then I didn't realize until I finished her face that, hey, she's not supposed to be this skin tone. And I don't know, do any of y'all feel like this? Because it's just like, it matters a lot, but at the same time, it doesn't matter to anybody else. But it does matter to me. But this piece might just take a while, because when you're in the nitty and gritty of it, obviously, you love adding on those thin layers, and that takes time, but it's so satisfying. So, and also, I made the decision that for the rest of this year, I am not going to be focusing or prioritizing posting my paintings. I just feel like it's better for my mental health. I'm appreciating taking it slow. For the sake of my business and social media, I will be focusing on illustrations, but for me, the paintings are going to be for me. So when I'm finished with it and I'm satisfied with it, and if I want to post it, then I'll make the reels. But if not, I'm not rushing it, and I'll post like little pieces of it from here and there on my story. But it's such a shift, because before I used to be like, get it, post it, edit it and everything. But now I don't care, because obviously, like, that was a whole nother thing. But this is gonna take a while, because I want to take my time with her. I got big plans for this painting, as y'all will see, but I am recording so y'all will see the process of it once it is completely finished.
Than where I'm at right now, I know it's gonna take a level of visit. This is the point where you really want to rest in this trust within yourself, because you're creating your own reality, and the universe that is coming. The chicken is cooking. Don't worry about it. Go do something else. And when I mean go do something else, don't rev up your nervous system and stress yourself out in another thing and rebrand your life. I mean, go live. Be in the present moment, especially when it comes to summer. Breathe. Like, where can you be right now in this present moment? Your feet should be on the ground right now. Breathe for everything you have, because you know what? You should. There's so many things in your life right now that you should be present with. And quite frankly, even when you get all your desires, if you don't know how to be grateful for the things that you have right now, it will feel like your desires are never here. I promise you that.
you?
Wait a minute. You know I'm in a situation. Why you don't do that? Why you tripping like that?
I understand that, but you know, vibes.
He don't care.
I see myself being with you.
He don't care. That man wants you.
That's really.
Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers, and I promise, y'all, I'm going to get better at filming outros for y'all, because I know y'all just be like, girl, what? Where's the rest of it? But thank you nonetheless, and see y'all in the next video. Bye.